Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, beautiful people. I am here on deck 9, and we are on the Serenity deck. This is the adult only 21 and over area, so you should have no children here. So it's a great place to come. It's a small Serenity. If you cruise Carnival cruises, you know, some of the Serenity decks are very big. Some of them have a pool. So this is a smaller one. It doesn't have the bar. Some ships have a bar on the Serenity deck. But this is a great place to come and chill, especially on a sea day. You can sit and relax and look out at the water. It's just a beautiful place to come out to. So I'm just going to give you a tour of the 21 and older Serenity deck here on the Carnival Paradise. So the Serenity deck here on Carnival Paradise is really showing its age, the wear and the tear. It's a smaller one. This is an older ship, so they don't have the bar and different things, so it's smaller. But I really could come in here and do a renovation and change some things around, add a couple of the small day beds to make it a little more enjoyable. I think they could fit it in some type of way here. So I hope you all have enjoyed this short tour of Serenity Adults 21 and older area here on Deck 9 on Carnival Paradise. Until we trip again, live your best life, love one another. Peace.